my channel. Today I will be making some KFC spicy chicken. You don't want to miss this one, guys. So today I have two sets of seasoning here. One is to season the flour and one is to season the chicken. So I will be using the Cool Runnings brand, and I'll be using 1 tablespoon each of each seasoning except the salt and the black pepper. So I'll be using 1 tablespoon of meat seasoning, chicken seasoning, and this is a mixture of garlic, salt, and onion powder, some hot cayenne pepper, some paprika, Maggie all-purpose seasoning, and black pepper, and some salt for taste. And guys, remember 1 tablespoon each, but I'll be using half tablespoon of salt and half tablespoon of black pepper. So here I have them separated, guys. This is for the chicken and this is to season the flour. Guys, I also gonna put 1 tablespoon of oregano, and the oregano is going into the seasoning for the flour. So guys, all of this spice, I have 2 peppers here. So I have a scotchy and a chili. So I'm gonna blend all of these together with some water. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna put all of these in my bullet. And guys, if you don't like too much pepper, you can take the seed out of this, but I'm gonna leave the seed. So I'm using 1 scotchy and 1 chili. Okay guys, so we're just gonna combine all of this together in my bullet, and I'm just gonna blend this with some water to marinate. Remember, this is the seasoning to marinate the chicken. Okay guys, so now I'm adding the water, and I have 12 ounces of water, but I'm not using the full 12 ounces. I'm gonna use about 4 ounces of the water. So that's it, guys. Forgot to take the stem off the scotchy. No worries, we can just remove that. So now we're gonna blend this together, guys, to marinate our chicken. Okay guys, so now our seasoning is ready to marinate our chicken. Guys, remember this is hot, so you want to put on a glove or put this in a put the chicken in a ziploc bag and pour the seasoning on the chicken. So I have on my glove. I'm just gonna marinate my chicken in the bowl. You want to get all of your seasoning out of your cup. You want to get all of that nice seasoning out of here. It smells so spicy, guys. Remember, this is our spicy KFC Jamaican fried chicken, so it has to be spicy. Here we have it, guys. So now we're just gonna rub this in. Make sure you're wearing a glove, guys, okay? Or you can put this in a Ziploc bag and pour the season on. Get all that seasoning in, guys. Looking lovely already, guys. Looking lovely. Okay guys, so our chicken is looking beautiful. Look at that, smelling so good already, guys. So what we're gonna do now, guys, I am going to put this in the fridge. I'm gonna leave it for I'm gonna leave it overnight to marinate, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna prepare our Jamaican KFC spicy chicken. Guys, all you have to do, you can put a cling wrap over this, or you can put it in a Ziploc, but I have a cover for my plate. So I'm just gonna cover it down. Guys, so now we're gonna put this in the fridge, and we're gonna come back and prepare our chicken tomorrow morning. Guys, we take our chicken from the fridge, and I have it, because you want to pull it from the fridge about 15 to 20 minutes before you're ready to use it. And look at that, guys. So we had this in the fridge overnight. You can have it there for up to a week. And remember our seasoning for our flour. So what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna combine all of the seasoning in the flour. So here, guys, I forgot yesterday to tell you guys that I will be using 1.5 tablespoon of brown sugar. You want to have 1.5 tablespoon of brown cane sugar as well. So we're gonna combine all of this with our flour. And guys, I like to do it the Jamaican way. Can use a spoon if you want, but I'm doing it the Jamaican way. So I'm just combining all of this together, like so. And remember, we have our oregano, our brown sugar, our chicken seasoning, our black pepper, our salt, and our paprika in here, guys. There you go. You want to combine it nicely. Make sure everything is combined together. Looking lovely. Now what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna coat our chicken in this. And in the meantime, guys, you want to make sure that you have your oil preheating. I am using a Dutch pot, guys. I am using a Dutch pot to fry my chicken. If you have an electric fryer, you can use that as well. Make sure it's at 350 degrees. If you're using a Dutch pot like me, you want to put it on high, and then when you put your chicken in, you want to reduce it to medium. Okay, guys, so let's coat our chicken, and I want to make sure that everything is coated nicely in the flour, guys. Okay, so what you can do, you use one hand to take out the chicken so you don't have wet hand in the chicken and the flour, and one hand to sprinkle your chicken. You want to press down on these and make sure that everything is combined nicely. Like so, guys. Combine everything nicely in the flour. And I'm just gonna be doing this for all of the pieces, guys. Okay, guys, so now our chicken is ready. We have the first layer of flour on our chicken. So what I'm going to do, guys, I am going to put this in some water. So I'm just gonna put all of my chicken. I just want to make sure so you knock off all of the excess flour. So you just knock your hands together like this and get off all the excess flour. And you just want to put them in some water. You want to do this in a strainer, guys, because you don't want to get the mess on your hand. It can get real sticky at this point. So I'm just knocking off the excess. Just knock off the excess flour. Just knock your hands like this and get off all the excess flour. Want to make sure that flour is all over your chicken. So like this one, guys, you want to pull down your skin of the chicken and make sure that a lot of flour is on there. Then you can knock off the excess. Just like so, guys. Looking lovely already. the excess. I'm gonna make sure that all of it is underwater, guys, okay? Okay guys, so now we have to remove our chicken from the water. You wanna shake off, make sure that you get all of the water, so you just wanna give it a little shake, get out all of the water, just like that, guys. And what we're gonna do now, guys, we're gonna put it back in our flour and give it a second coat. I'm just gonna coat them nicely. It's still dripping, guys, so let me hold it over the water. Making sure that I get all the flour on here, guys, and knock off the excess. Okay guys, so now all of our chicken is coated. So now make sure that they are coated nicely, guys. Okay. And remember to knock off the excess flour. So what I do, again, take up a piece of chicken or 2 pieces of chicken, and I just knock all them together, just like that. So guys, they are ready. Let's put them in our pot. Oil is hot and ready. I had it on high. After I put my chicken, I'm gonna put it, so basically I'm gonna do this on 8, so that's my max. It all depends on your stove, but you want to make your oil the most 350 degrees. Okay guys? Okay guys, so now we're gonna put our chicken in the pot. Make sure you have enough oil in the pot, guys, to cover your chicken. You don't want to put too much, guys. I want to give the chicken some space, okay? Just gonna put one more, and that's it. So guys, I forgot to tell you one important step. When you're preparing your chicken, if you're using thigh, make sure that you crack the bone right here between the chicken back, according to Jamaican, and this bone right here, guys. Make sure you just snap it like that, okay? It's very important. When you're doing thigh, just snap the bone like that, okay? Okay guys, they're looking lovely, guys. So what we're gonna do now, guys, we're gonna cover the pot after we flip our chicken. We're gonna cover our pot for like 10 minutes. Okay guys, so this is the final result. Our Jamaican spicy KFC chicken. Look at that, guys, looking so delicious. Can't wait to taste this, guys. Now I have some ketchup on the side. I'm just gonna dip this in the ketchup, guys, because I love ketchup. Look at it, guys. Look how juicy that is, guys. Look at that. Nice and crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Thumbs up this video, like, share, comment, subscribe if you have not done so yet. Tell me what you think about my Jamaican spicy KFC chicken.